Monday morning, and the crew is back and they're tasting the last bits of the peppermint crisp trifle.
Nice. Sherry. Kan je ook wel zo iets lekker.
Lekker.
Ja.
There's Opa. There's Opa looking.
Opa, alright?
What did you say, Opa? What?
I knew Oma was going to say something like that. I knew it.
Guys, my beloved dear friend Auntie Shamila came. The lady who gives me such great cooking advice in so many things. And she brought me fresh curry leaves. The smell permeates through the whole room. Shukran Auntie Shamila, and shukran for coming. Okay, it's early morning. Rise and shine. Okay. Okay. I don't know what the time is really, but it's quite early. The sun just came up and I'm going to do some prep work. On all the lights. My time is never set on my stoves because of load shedding, and it was just load shedding now. Okay, so I've already washed up, brushed my teeth, got dressed, whatever. So now I'm going to prep for my video. And I've got some onions. I'm still sleeping. Not sleeping, but you know, nog in 'n oggend mood. Got some onions, some fresh garlic, some rice, and I'm going to put this in a bowl of water, some lamb shanks, and I'm going to make a rice with a dried fruit mix raisins with citrus peel, my fresh chili, and my whole spices and spices. Yes guys, I only eat at 8 o'clock. And I normally have boiled egg. Let me just wash my hands. Other side. Okay guys, and I actually wash the containers the meat came in. I wash it with soap and rinse it, and then I throw it away. I don't reuse the meat packaging. I actually wash it with soap, sunlight soap, and then I throw it away. Makes the bin smell less and less everything. Well, that's just me. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. Someone asked, or people asked us, they want to see me prep and goedetjies and what I do before I do a video. Okay, I'm going to do just that. Okay, so I'm going to cook today, so I'll take this off. Okay guys, as you know, this is my second cookbook, Fatima Sydow Cooks. And let me just show you for those who don't know. Got lots of recipes, delicious, easy to make. Yes, that's my cookbook. At one stage it was the bestseller in the cookbook shops and online in South Africa. But now the other good news is, guys, I've been shortlisted and selected and nominated for the Gourmand World Cookbook Awards that's going to take place in Sweden in June. And I fall under the category of Africa. And there's my name. Look at that. Yes, Gourmand World Cookbook Awards of the best of the best. All the nominees and the different categories. I am just so grateful. I've had an amazing team that worked with me on this book, and I need to mention them. There they are. Let me show you. Lindy Samaray, Diana Proctor, Glenn Newlands, Wilna Kombrick, Henk Harting, Lisa Perrin, my sister Nadia Sydow, Index Deline van der Merwe, and Leah. She was the assistant to Henk Harting, and they are amazing people. Amazing people. And my foreword was written by one of my best friends, Tyrone Paulson. There we go. And a lot of people always ask, where can they get the book? You can get it at any leading bookstore, like Exclusive Books, Bargain Books, P&A's, and you can also order it online. Take a lot, Loot SA. See. My raisin loaf, my croissants. I must still make a video for you guys of my croissants. Fit cook. My white sandwich bread. What else can I show you? Here's the chocolate snowballs, carrot cake, Lamington cake. Look at that. Yep, I made this all in my kitchen. Pavlova, strawberry yogurt, strawberry crisp fridge tart. Oh, look at that. The easiest pancake recipe. It's actually on my YouTube channel, guys, the video of this, how to make it. Look at that. Yummy in my tummy. I had such fun making all these goodies, and Lisa is an amazing stylist, food stylist. And this, of course, is the baked cheesecake, which I must still also do a video of. There we go. So that is my good news, guys. Okay, guys, I'm off to the doctor. And when I come back, I'm going to do a video, and this is my short vlog, just what I'm up to, what's happening, and I just want to check in on you guys as well. Hope you are doing well. And stay positive, okay? Stay positive, stay strong, and persevere. You'll get through it. Whatever it is, you'll get through it. Anyways, bye everyone. Love you.